This conference was basically done here where our Anandam retirement community has been awarded as the best retirement development in India and Asia Pacific. We wanted to share our achievements with the people of Bangalore. Our project, which is situated on the foothills of Kodaikanal, where already we have received very good response from people from Bangalore. So that was the main agenda this time. For this also we have set up our sales office in Bangalore now, where we definitely feel that a lot of people from Bangalore are interested to come to the retirement communities which offer them the best services like the one which we are giving, being internationally managed, which is for the first time in India. I can tell you about ourselves only. As far our villas are there, it's a genuinely retirement villas. When we say genuinely retirement villas, all the villas are having wide bathrooms, toilets, doors, which are all wheelchair friendlies. All the villas are having ramps for the wheelchairs to go. All the villas are having high roof where the natural light and the coolness is there. All the villas will have your power backup, which is there. Thirdly, apart from the villas, the recreation facilities and the management facilities which we are giving, which others are not giving. When we say the management facilities, we are providing them with host of recreation facilities, including the clubhouse, which is spread over 50,000 square feet of area, which none of the community is having. Apart from that, ours is the only community which is having a full-fledged hospital within the township, as compared to the other retirement communities where they have only small medical clinics. So it will be have a full-fledged allopathy and Ayurveda hospital there in the township. Now, this is our first project in Kodaikanal, foothills of Kodaikanal, which we have built. We have been looking at Bangalore also, but maybe in later on stages will do. Ranges from 29 lakhs onwards and goes up to 70-75 lakhs onwards, depending upon the size of the unit. The facilities, as you correctly said, will be have a centralized kitchen there. Clubhouse is going to have lot of facilities for them, including gym, yoga, spa. Games will have lawn tennis, squash. A mini golf is also coming up for them. This is basically, this award is being given by International Property Awards based in UK, which they have been giving since last 19 years, where it has been divided into 5 continents, and India coming under Asia Pacific, where 23 countries fall part of Asia Pacific, which includes Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Hong Kong, China, Malaysia. The award which we got was one for the best of India, and the other we got best of the Asia Pacific also, where we outbid the other 22 countries. We are looking at other places also. We are looking for some good locations there. Whenever we get it, we'll look at it. It will be preferably in South only.